Hi everybody, hope everyone's doing well. This video I'll be reviewing all the new launches when it comes to lip peptide or lip balm treatments that have just hit the market. So if you guys are interested, do stick around. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Christina. I have 15 years experience in luxury beauty and retail. I do product reviews on luxury beauty, skincare, and makeup. Occasionally I might share a luxury accessory review or vlog here and there. So today you guys, again, I am so happy to just be back and share this video with you. I thought I would dedicate a whole video for this product category because this category has just exploded in the market, and as you can see, this is not even everything, but I put in one like little bin all the products that I've been trying out and testing out and kind of doing a comparative review on to share in this kind of video because the launches have just become kind of overwhelming and kind of out of hand. So these are all these peptide lip balm type of products. They also have become my obsession, and even if I don't really need any anymore, because honestly every week there is a launch of another one in this category from almost every brand. I think the latest luxury brand that joined the bandwagon is Dior, but I think Charlotte Tilbury is coming out with their own as well. It's these kind of squeeze tube peptide lip balm treatments, and I'm gonna run down a few of the newer launches that have just come out and give you guys my initial thought. I am obsessed with them, and honestly I don't wear lipstick much these days. It's more of these kind of products that I wear on a daily basis. So for this video I'm gonna limit it to the products that really market themselves as a peptide balm or a lip treatment versus a gloss kind of thing. So I'm gonna begin by sharing one of the key brands that really started this trend going, and it is none other than Summer Fridays. So their lip butter balm. So we had Summer Fridays, like I was saying, really champion this category, really start the trend, and then we have Rhode Beauty really championing this category. And Rhode Beauty started like, I don't know what year, 2019, and then ever since these two brands found major success with this category, everybody started bringing out their own versions. So I'm gonna begin. So those two I've already reviewed, everybody has reviewed. Why don't I begin with Glow Recipe? I just have one color with me. This is in the color Blackberry Bingsu. And so for purposes of this video, I don't think I'm going to go into exact ingredients or how it's marketed or results, because to be honest, I don't really think they vary very much from each other. It's not something that I depend on finding something significantly different or comparing themselves with. It's more of the texture, the feel, how much hydration I feel, and then the finish it gives me. They're all very similar in what they do and how they perform. So I am not going to go deep dive into that. You can just read key ingredients that they might significantly have a little different than the other, but for me, it's more of how do they feel on my lips? Do they flake? Do they feather? Will I recommend them? What is the finish? And yeah. Let me begin. I don't really know. I'll try to go with, I think, whose came out first. So these are from Ole Henriksen. They're highly rated in the Sephora website. I was actually a little late to the game, but because they were always sold out, and these were two limited edition colors that I just had to get. One is Creme Brulee Glimmer and Lingonberry Jam Glimmer. These are the glimmer ones. And let me show you first. All of these products will be linked down below. This is the applicator. So the applicator is a distinctive factor, and of course the formula and the smell. So this is how she looks, and it comes with this slanted silicone tip applicator that's not oversized, very regular. This is Lingonberry Jam. Absolutely gorgeous. I should have actually could have worn this right now for this video, and this is Creme Brulee, which is a beautiful nude color as well. So this one is Creme Brulee. These feel very hydrating and very comfortable on the lip. I think those are the two things that I would rate this from, and they give a very beautiful sheen on the lip. You don't need a gloss, so you're kind of, with these products, you're kind of getting a 2-in-1. So I would highly recommend this, especially these two, like the ones with the shimmer, just for the finish, but very hydrating on the lip and very comfortable to wear throughout the day. Very similar to that are the Nude Sticks Hydrating Peptide Lip Butters. This is in, again, limited edition colors Rose Sparkle and Vanilla Sparkle. As you can see, I like things with sparkle because it just, I love a glossy lip. I'm not a matte lip girl. So this one is in Rose Sparkle. Again, just your typical doe foot applicator that's not really clear, kind of the similar as the packaging. So this one is Rose Sparkle from Nude Sticks, and then this one is in Vanilla Sparkle, which is again a kind of a nudie shade. This one is a bit more, less sticky and more liquidy, I guess. So this is Vanilla Sparkle. I think these two, but especially the Nude Sticks, have the best finishes if that's what you're kind of looking for, a gorgeous sparkle finish for the summer. Nude Sticks. These are also perform like a lip treatment. They're very comfortable, they're very hydrating on the lip, they don't get weird, they don't kind of bunch up in the center or the crevices or the sides of your lip. I think formula wise, honestly, I was blown away by this because I think these are one of the best and they're not talked about a lot. I highly recommend this. This, I think, to me would be like 10 out of 10. I think out of all that I'm looking at in terms of reviewing them, this is highly rated for me and I would highly recommend. The next one I'm going to talk about is from Laneige. This is one of my favorite. The lip mask is an OG Holy Grail lip treatment, and even their lip glowy balms. They came out with matcha, and I have the other one, I think the taro, but I don't know where it's at. And I also have the gummy, which I don't know, where did I put all of them? But this lip glowy balms are amazing. They recently launched the Craze Tinted Lip Serum. And I have two of them here. One is in cinnamon sugar and the other is in strawberry sprinkles. This is a very new shade actually. This has the most unique applicator. It is a silicone, but it's not a doe foot, it's like a donut applicator with a hole in the center, which is why this became viral so quickly, because it was just so different from the others. These ones smell amazing. This have more of a slip to them. The kind of finish this gives versus the first ones I've discussed is more of a glassy gloss finish. So this one is Cinnamon Sparkle. There's a little more pigment here as well, as you can see. It says it's a serum, but honestly this almost gives me the finish of a gloss, and this Strawberry Sparkle smells amazing. In terms of fragrances, if that is a key factor for you, then you should go for these ones from Laneige because they smell like strawberry sprinkles and cinnamon rolls. This is Strawberry Sprinkles. It smells like strawberry, not yogurt, strawberry ice cream. This smells amazing. This one feels more slippery on the lip. Of course, they're still very hydrating, but I would recommend this, but not as much as I'm enjoying the others. I don't reach for these as much. I'm not actually sure why, but they are a bit more pigmented. I would still highly recommend them though. I've kept them, I haven't returned them. They look very beautiful on their own, but I think with a little more definition is good. But because they have a lot more pigment than the others, they can really be worn on its own, but they smell divine. This is from Glow Recipe. This is the only shade that I have. This is in Blackberry Bungsu. This one comes in a typical doe foot, but it doesn't really concave, unlike the Summer Fridays. This smells like blackberry, And so this one also has a little bit more pigment. Let me put it right here. This one is a bit stickier than all that I've shown you, all the rest. This one really gives more of a lip treatment kind of look and feel. Unless you like layer it, then you get more of a pigment. This is more like a treatment than, you know, the Laneige almost looks like a lip gloss. It's a lip serum. And then these give the finish of a gloss as well because of their sparkle or finish. And this one gives like a treatment finish. And it does feel like a treatment, but looks like something like a lip you can wear when you go out, especially for the summer. I would still recommend this. I still have it. These are all beautiful textures. This is just a bit thicker than the ones that I've previously shown you, but there's still something. This is something that's amazing to have in your purse or your beach bag for this summer. These I've shared in my last video. It's the Dior Addict Lip Glow Butters. Again, these butter peptide balms. This is the most disappointing one. You can see I barely used it, but a lot of people are right. If you hold it under the sun, which I don't know if it's showing right now, but I can see it, you don't get that much product. It's really almost here, just halfway. Comes nothing spectacularly outstanding with this. It's your typical doe foot applicator, just a bit concave like the Summer Fridays and a bit smaller. Smells like the Dior. They don't really smell, they kind of smell like the lip mask